Hey guys! Okay, so today we are gonna play some Roblox jailbreak. So I already have some cars because I used to play like a lot. So I have like I have the ATV, the motorcycle, the SWAT car, the Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, and the SUV. So yeah, that's all the cars that I have so far. So I just escaped. Oh yeah, the game passes that I have is the boss game pass. The boss game pass, the bigger duffel bag thingy, and I think that's all. And the SWAT game pass. 3 game passes that I have. So let me just rob this thingy real quick. Don't shop. Wait, how did that guy have this skin? That's so weird. Yeah, and I'm saving up for the work bike. Tron bike, whatever you want to call it, I'm saving up for this. The fastest car in the game. I mean vehicle in the game, not the car. Okay, so let me open this safe. Wait, and I have mobile garage. I forgot about that. Somebody's Lamborghini is open. Not mind if I do steal it. Okay, let me just. Should I buy the Ferrari or the Volt bike? You guys should share in the comments. Like this is my first gaming video. I didn't have the equipment for recording and stuff, so that's why I just wrote and recorded it so you guys can read what my YouTube channel is about. So let me just rob something. No, let me rob that. Let me rob that. Let me rob that. I hate when this happens. This is locked. I have to wait. This thing is in the way. Wait for another Bugatti. Why isn't it coming? This is so weird. Okay, I'm just taking my Lamborghini. And yeah, I'm pretty good at jailbreak too. I'm really good at jailbreak. I have basically all the cars. Oh, there's trains here. Okay, let me rob this. Let me rob this. Jump. Oh, wrong. I need a blue car. Seriously? Seriously? This train has the blue car at the back, so I can't rob it. Bye-bye, stupid train. I hate it. So, bye. It's finally a Bugatti.
Yes, yes.
Museum. Wait, there's a big robbery in the museum. So many people. Wait, how did it? Hacker! Hacker! He just Hacker! What is he doing? He's flying. Okay, let me just here. Rob the museum. Dun. Okay, nothing that I can rob here. I'll go to paintings. Dun dun dun. I love the museum song. Dun 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 dun. Ouch, that hurt. Ouch, that hurt more. Wait, there's a glitch with the duffel bag. You can take it off. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm not. I can glitch out. This guy using that glitch. Can I? See, I see that this glitch. I can just like go through walls. I'm the only YouTuber who knows this glitch. Oh, it's already open. Okay, why am I so slow? Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop. There's a cop. This guy stole my. Okay, that was a noob. Oh, Kiko. Thanks. Someone stole my Bugatti. I hate when that happens. That's so annoying. People see my. Look, it's over there. Someone stole my Bugatti. I hate that. I hate it so much. Okay, let me just. Of course he's faster than me. Wait, don't I have my level 5 engine on? Yes. I have it on. Okay. Beep! Water to move out of the way. Yum, yum, yum. Give me that money. I need it. Why is this happening? My computer is glitchy sometimes. I just fixed it yesterday. It's so annoying. Okay, get this car. We're here. Okay, so why is the minigun like on top of the car? Isn't the minigun like too heavy for the Rolls Royce? Look at it. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't really like this car that much. I like the SWAT car better. I have the SWAT car, but this one's faster. Should I break into the prison? No, I'm not, because I hate the prison. Okay, jewelry store is open for a robbery. But the ATV is broken. I can't drive it. If you guys don't know what's wrong with the ATV, I'll show you. Just flies around. Look at it. Is it fixed? It's working? Look, it's gonna fly away. Is it fixed? No. The glitch is fixed. So the ATV used to, like, when you just hop on it, it just goes like out of the map. Just flies out of the map. It's so annoying. Kills you. It works, finally. It's still kind of glitchy. Can you climb walls still? What's happening? I can't drive it that good. It's so hard to control. Okay. Oh wait, and have Tesla. I don't really like it that much in the game. It's so glitchy, I don't like it. So this is my first jailbreak video. I'll make more soon, and yeah, this is the end of the video. This is kind of short, but this is the only time I have. Okay, so bye guys, and see you next time for another video. You guys can say something in the comments, whatever you want, which game you want to play, any game. So yeah, bye bye.